Hello everyone, welcome to Eyeshadow Speaks. I know it's been a minute and I've been putting a lot of travel vlogs. Today, in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to tell you 9 ways of using your eyeshadow palette to do your makeup. So let's begin. I'm going to be using only this eyeshadow palette by James Charles, जो मैंने मेरी friend Alicia से ढापा है. And these are the colors that I will be using. A lot of people are like कि आप eyebrows क्यों fill in करते हैं? अगर आप ठीक से अगर selfie लोगे, you'll understand ये part पे fill किया eyebrows तो कैसे दिखेगा और ये part पे fill नहीं किया हुआ है. Then you compare and see that when you take a selfie, what looks better. I will be using this color, dark coffee brown color. I'll dip this angular brush inside, remove the excess, and you always do your eyebrows by starting in between and then going outwards. I've already used this pulley and that's how I get to know कि gaps exactly किधर है. As you can see, look at the difference इधर और इधर. You can make out a lot of gaps. इधर अभी तक है. So when you take a picture, this will look more complete eyebrow wise, and this will not look that complete क्योंकि you can still see gaps here. I'll now fill the other side. So before starting, I have already prepped my face by doing the CTM process. अगर आपने वो वीडियो मिस किया है तो the link is down in the description. It will be also on the card on top. By prepping and priming, I mean using moisturizer and using primer and using a foundation. Using this color for the outer side for creating that transition effect. And I'm going to now use this cute golden color with my fingertips. This is how it looks and this is the right side का eye. The next step is मैं ये black color लूँगी eyeshadow का and then I will put it as the eyeliner. Also really sorry अगर आपको background में आवाज़ आ रहा है. There is construction work going on in my area. अभी हम लोग waterline पे ये nude color use करेंगे so that the eyes pop out. I don't like putting black color काजल because मेरी आँख फिर बहुत बिल्ली जैसे छोटी लगने लग जाती है. I will also be using this MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix. तो मैंने already इसमें nude डाला हुआ है. excess निकाल रही हूँ and then I'm spraying this, applying it on my waterline. I'm contouring my face, this one and this one. So first I'll take the excess and I'll take a little bit of this excess and this is where I contour, this is where I contour. अभी देखो मैंने ज़्यादा लगा दिया है, but I will tell you what has to be done very soon. Don't worry about that. Be careful about this. Now मैंने ये जो mistake की है, let's not repeat that. I know exactly what to do and counter this. तो ज़्यादा लग गया है, so I'm going to take a beauty blender. Other tip is beauty blender आप थोड़ा गीला करो, but उसको एकदम ज़्यादा गीला मत करना. Remove the excess water and then use it and then see the magic that happens. उससे ज़्यादा product stick नहीं होएगा आपके beauty blender को. तो इतना दिख रहा था has really come down to a great extent. Now merge it well. This is how I've contoured the mess that I made. This orange and this pink, it will give me a peach wala look. Taking only 1, 2, removing excess, 1, 2, removing excess. Doing a swatch here to see exactly कैसे लगेगा मेरे face पे. इतना नहीं दिखेगा. Apple of my cheek. This is how it looks, little peachy effect. The next thing we'll be doing is the highlighter. I'm going to take this silverish color, goldenish color, yeah, remove excess. Some more fairy dust. Will help your eyes का eyebrow that you just filled in stand out. Using Vaseline. ये थोड़ा dry लग रहा है. Which color should I use for my color? Which color do I choose? I'm going for black. Just kidding. I'm gonna go with this red. मेरे lips थोड़े chapped है, that's why it's looking like this. But if you have like really good smooth lips, it'll look even better. So excuse these chapped lips of mine, but this is how it's gonna look. Now the last way of using this eyeshadow is to fill your gaps in between your hair. अगर मैंने इधर clip लगाया, for example, this starts looking bad in the picture. Though I know there is hair, it looks like I have no hair. So I'm going to use this coffee brown color and fill this up. Your hair starts looking fuller. Now I'm using the mascara. I know eyeshadow nahi hai, but I just feel that the look is not complete without using a mascara. Prep Plus Prime Fixer by MAC, my favorite product. So this is my final look using eyeshadow in 9 different ways to do your makeup. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, ta-da!